So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily set up the face unlock and side fingerprint in your Oukitel WP300. So here, as you can see, we have our phone, and first we need to go to the settings, and straight from here we need to scroll down till we see this security and privacy. I think I missed that option. Here, security and privacy. Tap it, and now scroll down. Here tap device unlock. Tap fingerprint face unlock, draw your pattern on or enter your passcode, and now here tap face unlock. More, I agree, start. Now you need to enter your face in this circle. Done. Fingerprint. Tap more, I agree. Now we need to touch the sensor, left. Touch the sensor, left. Touch the sensor, left. Touch the sensor, left. And you need to do this with every single part of your finger. Of your fingertip, actually. Until this circle is full. Now, as you can see, we do have it done. And now we are all done. Let's see if it works. It works. Let's see if our face unlock works. I did unlock it, was not here. Now it works. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.